Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this kid's look on my daughter Molly. So if you want to find out how to do this super easy kids look, keep watching. Today we're going to be doing a cute little hairstyle on my daughter Molly. We're going to be doing a braid going back, and then we're going to put this pretty bow in at the end. So I'm going to show you how we do it. So I use this Johnson & Johnson No More Tangles. And I sprayed in her hair first to help with the tangles. We really like this. It works really well on her hair for detangling, and we don't have any issues with crying or anything since we've started this, and you can use this on wet or dry hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that in her hair. Lean back, Mom, lean back. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that through. Now, it doesn't hurt, right, Molly? Right. It doesn't hurt. We like this detangling spray, right? So we're just gonna give her hair a good brush. And then we're gonna take a rat tail comb, like this, anything with an end, and we're gonna section off the middle part. She's got some funky colics right here that they like to separate, but that's okay. Okay. I'm just gonna twist that up, and I'm just actually gonna stick this bow in it for a minute. And then I'm gonna take the rest of her hair and tie it back just so it's out of the way. And then we'll pull this out when we're done. Okay. Go ahead and take this out. And then I like to spray a little bit of this before I start because she's got some baby hairs here, and it just kind of helps to keep it all together and keep the flyaways from coming. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing a French braid. So I'm gonna take the top part section and split it into 3, just like this.
Mama.
And then, yes, I'm gonna be crossing the right over to the middle and then the left over to the middle. And then I cross the right over to the middle, and then I grab a piece of hair and add it in to the section that I just crossed over the middle. And then pull it tight. And then do the same on the other side. Pull it tight, and just keep repeating this until all the hair that you sectioned off is braided.
And then we're going to keep it nice and tight.
Okay, tilt your head forward a little bit, Molly, so you could see, so it looks like that. I like to kind of, when I go to put the rubber band in, after I loop it around a couple times, kind of push it forward so that you get a little bit of volume. I just think it looks cuter. You don't have to do that. And then I like to, not too much, because on little kids' hair they play and get messy and stuff, but I like to pull apart the braid a little bit, and you just kind of wing apart the sides of each little braid like that. And then you just go ahead and take your bow and you stick it in here, and then pull out your rest of your hair, give it another little spray again. And she does have curl to her hair, so that it kind of gives it a little something extra. I mean, obviously if your little girl has straight hair, you won't have that. You could use curling iron or braided or something the night before to get the curl, but she has it naturally, which is kind of nice. And then this is going to be the finished look, as you can see. And I'll show you the back, and it just looks like that. You can see her, that she's got some curls. And that's it. Doesn't take long. Don't have to sit for very long. No fuss ever since we've started using it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.